Hello friends, welcome back. This is Ann, author of hiddenfarmlife.com. If you remember from my previous video, my nacho video, and I will post that up above, I said that I had run out of my homemade taco seasoning and I was going to make a batch, and I thought I should share that with you guys. So today we are making homemade taco seasoning with pretty much staples from your pantry. So gather these ingredients and let's get started. What I've gathered for this taco seasoning is pretty much staples in my pantry, and I would be willing to bet if you search in your pantry, you have most, if not all of these. So what you'll need to start is a mason jar with a lid, a tight fitting lid. This one's a screw-on lid, a bowl and a whisk. And then I have onion powder, chili powder. This is dried parsley. This is cayenne pepper. I have pink Himalayan salt, but you can use whatever salt you'd like. This is black pepper, cumin, some cornstarch, chili powder. I'm sorry, this is smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. This is basil, dried basil, and this is garlic powder. So what I'm going to do is put each of these into this bowl and whisk them up. So we have the onion powder, woo, big poof, the cornstarch, cumin, chili powder, black pepper. Oh my gosh, I'm so loud. Chili powder. This is the basil. This is the parsley. Salt. Cayenne pepper. And the garlic powder. And then what I am going to do is take this handy dandy whisk and whisk these all together until they are well combined. So now that everything is pretty much well combined, I am going to use a measuring cup, scoop, whatever you have, and put this into my jar where I will store it. So I finished putting the seasoning in the jar. I use a quart jar because I normally double or triple this, but I just wanted to make a single batch to show you guys, and I don't need too much right now. I label it taco seasoning, so if anyone goes in the pantry looking for something, they know that's what this is, and you can see it's pretty fine. And this will last a while with the airtight container, or I'm sorry, lid. It'll last me a good 6 months or so, but I go through it so quickly that I'm always making it. So I wanted to show you the inspiration for this recipe. It's not, my recipe is not exact. There's a recipe in here, the Family Feasts for $75 a week. This book has been so good for me when we started on our self-sustainability journey. I can link this below if it's still available. It's pretty old, but it really has been very, very useful. I will post a full recipe, written out recipe for this on our blog, so I will link that below, and that way you can follow that besides this video. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you find it helpful and useful. I really like having my seasonings and everything at hand, and I don't always like to run out and get things or get prepackaged things. They're not all terrible. I just like having my own because I can control exactly what went into this, and I know everything that went in there. And I will post in my blog what variations you can use to, you can judge this up and make it your own. So until next time, let us know in the comments below if you try this and if you like it. If there's anything else that you have questions about, just let us know in the comments. Until next time, we'll see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.